What's up guys, this is Josh at Karran. Today we're going to go through a cartridge replacement on our Scottsdale KKF 210 faucet. Once the water supply is shut off to the faucet, open up the handle to relieve any pressure that might be in the lines. Next, remove the silicone grommet at the base of the handle. You can pull it out with a fingernail or push it into the handle. Then take your 2.5mm hex key to loosen the set screw. It does not need to be removed completely, just loose enough to slide the handle off. Twist the trim ring counterclockwise to remove it. The retaining nut can be removed with an adjustable wrench or adjustable pliers. Carefully pull out the cartridge and compare it with the replacement to make sure it's the correct model. The guide pins make the installation easy. When the cartridge is seated properly, it will not rotate left or right. With the cartridge in place, you can reinstall the retaining nut and tighten until it's snug. Try to not over tighten. Screw the trim ring back into place by hand. Slide the handle back on and tighten the set screw with the hex key. Once snug, pop the silicone grommet back into place at the base of the handle. With everything back together, turn the water supply on to make sure there are no leaks and the faucet is working correctly.